Number 1. 1987 Dodge Dakota. That was Lynden, Washington. This 1987 Dodge Dakota is an early example of Dodge's compact pickup that bridged the gap between small and full-size trucks. Equipped with a 3.9-liter V6 and a 5-speed manual transmission, this two-wheel drive pickup runs and drives, but shows its age at 236,000 miles. The seller notes several recent replacements, including a water pump, starter, and radiator, along with a swapped engine and new clutch in 2020. For $1,000, it's an affordable entry point into the first-generation Dakota line, ideal for a light restoration or daily farm use. Number 20. 1971 GMC 2500, $5,000, Stevensville, Montana. A strong candidate for restoration, this 1971 GMC 2500 combines vintage charm with mechanical renewal. The rebuilt V8 engine, fitted with a thumper cam, aluminum heads, and new pistons, was installed just 300 miles ago. Paired with a freshly rebuilt M21 Muncie 4-speed, new brakes, tires, and bumpers, this truck has excellent bones. It only needs interior and exterior finishing to be show-ready. A great value for collectors looking for a solid 1970s heavy-duty GMC platform. Number 3. 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit Sport Truck, $4,500, Paso Robles, California. Volkswagen's Rabbit pickup remains one of the quirkiest and most collectible small trucks of the 1980s. This 1981 example, powered by a 1.7-liter gas engine and 5-speed manual, has been well maintained with extensive recent service, including a new timing belt, axles, and fuel system parts. The odometer is broken, but the seller claims daily use and reliable performance. A charming survivor with European flair, perfect for enthusiasts seeking economy with character. Number 4. 1973 Jeep J4000 V8, 4x4, $4,250, Alcalde, New Mexico. This 1973 Jeep J4000 represents the rugged full-size pickups Jeep produced before the AMC era fully took hold. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and a manual transmission, this 4x4 is currently non-running, but reportedly only needs a fuel line. Its originality and classic Jeep truck styling make it an attractive restoration project for collectors who appreciate American utility vehicles with real vintage DNA. Number 5. 1981 Toyota SR5 pickup, $7,500, Tracy, California. Toyota's SR5 pickups are renowned for durability, and this 1981 example is no exception. Showing 87,500 miles, it features the legendary 22R engine paired with a 5-speed transmission. The truck retains its factory metallic blue paint, wheels, and interior appointments, including air conditioning and power steering. Recently smog-checked and equipped with new tires, it's an excellent unrestored survivor ready to drive and enjoy. A must-have for Japanese classic truck fans. Number 6. 1973 Ford F250 Explorer Camper Special, $6,500, San Diego, California. This 1973 Ford F250 Camper Special with the Explorer package is a true time capsule. Powered by the original 390 V8 and C6 automatic, the truck runs and drives well, needing only a radiator replacement. With new upholstery and period-correct interior trim, this smog-exempt California classic offers both practicality and vintage appeal. It's ideal for those who love the big-block Ford charm of the 1970s.
Number 7. 1975 Ford F250 4x4 Highboy, $6,000, Sandpoint, Idaho. A genuine Highboy, this 1975 Ford F250 4x4 stands tall in every sense. Recently restored off-frame, it features a rebuilt 360 V8, refreshed chassis, new interior components, and only 25 miles on the new engine. With over $12,000 invested, it's a great deal for a collector seeking a rugged and authentic Ford Highboy with a clean title and show-worthy potential.
Number 8. 1966 Chevrolet C10, $8,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 short bed pickup captures the peak of mid-century truck design. It's powered by a strong 350 V8 with automatic transmission and presents a clean body and title. With its timeless proportions and classic styling, it's an excellent candidate for a mild custom build or weekend cruiser. A solid base that embodies Chevrolet's golden era of pickups. Number 9. 1968 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special, $6,000, Northridge, California. The 1968 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special was designed for long hauls and heavy loads. This one sports a reliable 360 V8 with a C6 automatic and has received extensive brake and suspension work. While its air conditioning and radio are inoperative, the truck runs well and retains a solid body. Registered through 2026, it's a fair-priced working classic ready for some light cosmetic attention. Number 10. 1954 Chevrolet 6400, $750, Richland, Oregon. This 1954 Chevrolet 6400 represents the heavy-duty side of Chevrolet's post-war lineup. Equipped with a manual transmission and a motor that still turns, it's a project vehicle with an excellent body foundation. At $750, it's an affordable entry into the world of vintage medium-duty trucks. Ideal for someone looking to restore a farm workhorse or convert it into a classic hauler. Number 11. 1965 Chevrolet El Camino, $12,000, Carlsbad, California. This 1965 Chevrolet El Camino blends muscle car performance with pickup utility. Sporting a V8 and 4-speed manual, it's upgraded with a Willwood front disc brake setup, Edelbrock intake, and rally wheels. The fiberglass hood adds a period-correct performance look. Though the paint is fair, it's a solid daily driver with the soul of a classic American muscle machine. Number 12. 1953 Ford F100, $22,000, Dana Point, California. Celebrating Ford's 50th anniversary, this beautifully restored 1953 Ford F100 is finished in white and gold with meticulous detailing. Powered by a 239 cubic inch flathead V8 and a 3-speed manual, It retains period features like wood-lined bed, running boards, and steel wheels. With its show-quality presentation and historical significance, it's an excellent choice for collectors seeking a true mid-century icon.
Number 13, 1965 Ford F250 Custom Patina, $14,450, Alameda, California. This 1965 Ford F250 has been transformed into a reliable rat rod with authentic patina and extensive mechanical upgrades. With a 3-speed column shifter, heavy-duty Dana 60 rear end, and 4.10 gears, it's built for strength and character. Every key system has been refurbished, and with less than 300 miles since completion, it's ready to cruise daily while drawing attention wherever it goes. Number 14, 1978 GMC C25 Camper Special, $14,000, in San Leandro, California. A remarkably original 1978 GMC C25 Camper Special. This truck has been thoroughly refreshed mechanically. Powered by a 350 V8 crate engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission, it features working air conditioning, Bluetooth radio, and dual fuel tanks. The second family ownership and detailed service history add to its appeal. Minor cosmetic flaws aside, it's a strong and smooth classic for both work and pleasure. Number 15, 1978 GMC Sierra 1500 RCSB, $12,500, Johnston, Iowa. This 1978 GMC Sierra 1500 short bed custom blends patina style with solid mechanicals. Featuring the 350/350 engine transmission combo, power steering, and brakes, it's lowered and fitted with 20-inch wheels for a muscular stance. Though the air conditioning isn't connected and there's some rust, it runs and drives great. A clean-titled, head-turning vintage truck that captures the rustic charm of late 70s GMC design.